Subscribe my channel SK Singh Vikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you.
Today we are going to make a video of class 12 physics. Here in this video we want to prove that m is equal to L by F0 bracket 1 plus D by Fe bracket closed. Here for a compound microscope. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. But one thing I wanted to share with you. This is for an English medium student. Okay, here it is strictly for an English medium student. Now here answer. Prove that m is equal to minus L by F0 1 plus D by Fe for a compound microscope. Here try to understand all the things which is given here. Here try to understand in case of compound microscope you should understand this thing. Here you should understand this thing. Compound, in case of compound microscope you are taking two convex lens. One lens is of objective lens and another lens is eyepiece lens. Here I have written O. It means that is objective lens. And this is eyepiece lens. Okay? Try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay? I hope you will observe all the things. Objective eyepiece. This lens is objective lens and this lens is eyepiece lens. Here AB and AB, you know, image will form here. In case if you are taking a convex lens, image will form here. AB just opposite A dash B dash. Okay. Here after and now this thing will be object for this lens. This thing is object for this lens, but this thing will be object for this lens. Okay. Now here FO, UO, FO, VO, FO, FB, A double dash, alpha, beta, C dash, I piece, E, O. This is eyepiece, this is I. UE, D, VE is equal to D. D means least distance of distinct vision. That is 25 centimeter. Least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. Now here try to understand all the things which is given here. And here what things are you observing? Here in this case a final image will form. Okay, what things are you observing? A final image will form. That is A double dash, B double dash, and this is like this. Okay, and from this also there will be a ray diagram. Okay, here objective lens, this is eyepiece lens. Okay, in case of any problem you may contact me. It is given, my phone number is given in the contact, or you may send message. Okay. Now next thing is magnifying power of a compound microscope. Okay, what things? Magnifying power, magnification. Okay, magnifying power of a compound microscope. In case of compound microscope, that is m is equal to beta by alpha, and you may write this thing as tan beta by tan alpha. And here in right angled triangle C dash A double dash Q, tan alpha is equal to A double dash Q C dash A double dash. Here double dash, here single dash, AB by C dash A dash. Okay, tan alpha is equal to AB by C dash A double dash. Also in right angle triangle C dash A double dash B dash, tan beta is equal to A double dash B double dash C dash A double dash. Okay, try to understand. In right angle triangle, in both cases you will take tan alpha and tan beta. Okay, what things are you taking? Tan alpha and tan beta. Now next thing, magnification is equal to A double dash B double dash by C dash A dash. Here you know tan beta by alpha, so you will put value of tan beta and tan alpha, tan beta and tan alpha. So here A double dash tan beta is equal to what? A double dash B double dash by C dash A double dash by AB by C A double dash. And here you are observing C dash A double dash in both cases. C dash A double dash in case of tan alpha, in case of tan beta. So it will be cancelled. Now what will you get? A double dash B double dash by AB. And also A double dash B double dash by A dash B dash multiply by A dash by B dash by AB. Here this thing will be cancelled, and what thing will you get? Well, you will get 1. Okay, but why are you using this thing? Because this will give ME and this will give MO. What thing? This will give ME means magnification of eyepiece, and this thing magnification of objective. That is equation first. ME multiplied by MO, that is first. ME is equal to A double dash B double dash by A dash B dash, linear magnification of eyepiece. MO is equal to A dash B dash by B, linear magnification by objective. Okay, no problem. Now next thing, MO, magnification of objective. What things? Magnification of objective. VO by minus U equal to minus VO by U. That is second. Using lens formula for eyepiece, minus 1 by UE plus 1 by VE, that is equal to 1 by FE, or minus VE by UE plus 1 equal to VE by FE. Here I have this thing is used here. What thing will you do? Dividing both sides by VE. What will you do? Dividing here VE by UE, VE by V, that will you cancel, and VE by FE. Now what will you get? VE by UE equal to 1 minus VE by FE. Here this thing VE by UE, that will be, if you take this thing in the right side and this thing in left side, then what will you get? 1 minus VE by FE and minus VE by UE. That is, this thing VE by UE is equal to 1 minus VE by FE, or magnification. This is magnification VE by UE. ME बराबर 1 minus VE by FE. ME equal to 1 minus VE by FE, or VE equal to minus T. What thing? As V is equal to H, AS, H. V is equal to minus T. D is, what is this? D is least distance of distinct vision. So ME is equal to 1 plus D by FE. What thing? VE is equal to minus T. Minus minus plus, and 1 plus D by FE. Okay, no problem. Now this is equation third. Okay, this is equation third. Now next thing, from first, second and third. From first, here ME into MO, second minus VO by UO, and third ME 1 plus D by FE. From first and second and third, M is equal to magnification is equal to objective image distance by objective object distance 1 plus D by FE. Okay, UO is equal to FO. Focal length of the objective is very small, so UO is equal to FO. VO is equal to L, length of the tube. What thing? VO is length of the tube. M is equal to minus L by FO 1 plus D by FE. What thing? M is equal to minus L by FO 1 plus D by FE. M is equal to 1 plus D by FE. Here I have obtained what thing? M is equal to 1 plus D by FE. M is equal to minus L by FO 1 plus D by FE. Okay? No problem. And next thing, VO is equal to L and UO is equal to F. Minus L by FO 1 plus D by F for certain reason. Now M is equal to 1 plus D by FE. What thing? M is equal to 1 plus D by FE, that is near to D by FE. That will be equal to D by FE, as FE less than D. Focal length of eyepiece is less than D. Here you are taking what thing? Eyepiece lens is a smaller in comparison to objective lens. Okay. So M is equal to VO by UO multiplied by D by FE. What thing? VO by UO multiplied by D by FE. That is equal to VO by UO. What thing? VO by UO. VO by UO, that is L by FO. What thing? VO by UO is equal to L by FO. Okay? Try to understand. L by FO into this thing, you have to write same D by FE. Okay? I hope you are understanding this thing. Here you should understand one thing. Objective lens is smaller in comparison. Objective lens is bigger in comparison to eyepiece lens. Okay. Here I have got a formula. What thing? Magnification is equal to L by FO multiplied by D by FE. And now listen carefully. L is what? L is length of the tube. FO is what? FO is focal length of objective, and D is what? D is least distance of distinct vision, and FE is what? FE is, try to understand, this is focal length of eyepiece lens. I hope you are understanding this video, and also subscribe my channel SK Singh Vikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.